Here's an idea for homemade seaweed fertiliser. So we bought a 100 litre plastic water bottle off Amazon, filled it 2/3 with tap water, added 2 large bags of seaweed from a local harbour, let it ferment for several weeks, stirring weekly, sieved the large particles out through an onion netting bag and again through a finer sieve so as not to block the nozzle on the spray bottle. The concentrate was then added at 4 parts water to 1 part seaweed, giving us 5 litres of treatment. This would probably cover about 10 metres square, and I filled the bottle up at about 4 or 5 times to cover the whole lot. So we filled the bottle up with tap water again. So you could use rainwater if you've got a rainwater bottle. It's probably better than tap water, and then sprayed the whole lawn once and left for 2 to 3 weeks before aerating.